In this video, I'll be showing you how to screen record on Mac. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Now, if you don't know what OBS is, it's basically a free software where you can record your screen as well as your audio for completely free. So what you want to do is firstly head on over to Safari. From here, just type in OBS. Now it's going to go over to obsproject.com. That's basically where you want to be. This is their logo. Now you want to scroll down and you want to download it for Mac OS. And once you download it, just install it. And then once you do, it's going to look something like this. So just go ahead and open it up. Then what you want to do is you want to make a scene. You can name it whatever you want. Then you want to go over to sources. You want to press the plus icon. Then you just want to go either to video capture device, but if you want to record your screen, go to Mac OS screen capture. Now, if you want to, also include your audio, press the plus and just go Mac OS audio capture. Now, anything that's being played in the background, like let's say it was a game or any certain application, that's also going to be saved as well. So then if you want to have your mic, as you can see, my mic's being recorded right now, all you want to do is go over to your settings. Then from your settings, go over to the audio tab, which is the fifth option. And then just make sure that your mic auxiliary audio is, whatever you need it to be. So mine's default, which is just, the MacBook itself. And then that's it. You'll be good to go.